Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next.
Here I am using black color sketch pen and scale for these lines. This is Hindi cover page design. Draw the Hindi word like this. This is a, draw the line like this. This is H letter. This is I letter. This is N letter like this. This is D letter. Draw the D letter like this. This is I letter. Hindi word was completed. Draw the design like this. Here I am drawing two lines. Draw the line like this. Now I am using orange color brush pen. Fill this Hindi word with orange color brush pen. If you want, you can use any other colors, brush pen, color pencil or anything if you want. Here I am drawing bird design. Draw the bird like this. Here I am drawing leaf shapes. Draw like this. Now I am using light blue color brush pen. Draw the outline with light blue color brush pen. Draw like this. Here I am using light blue color pencil. Fill this middle space with light blue color pencil. If you want, you can use light blue color crayon, oil pastel, whatever you want. This is light blue color brush pen. Now I am using yellow color brush pen. This is pink color brush pen. Here I am drawing ribbon shape. Draw the ribbon like this. Here I am drawing flower shape. Draw the line like this. Now I am using light blue color brush pen. Fill this space with light blue color brush pen. I am shading with light blue color brush pen. Fill like this. This is color pencil, light blue color. Now I am using pink color brush pen. Draw the outline with pink color brush pen. This is pink color pencil. This is light blue color pencil. Draw the line with pink color sketch pen. Same repeat here. Here I am drawing flower. Draw the petals like this. Same flower in big size. Again one more flower. Do you have any doubts regarding border designs, color paints or anything? Comment on comment section. Follow me on Instagram, link given in the description box. Flower outline was completed. Draw like this. This is light blue color brush pen. Fill this flower with light blue color brush pen. Draw the outline like this. Draw like this. Same repeat here. Now I am using light blue color color pencil. Same color repeat here. If you want, you can use light blue color crayon, oil pastel, whatever you want. This is pink color brush pen. Fill this flower with pink color brush pen. Draw like this. If you want any type of border designs or cover page designs, comment on comment section. This is pink color pencil. Fill this middle space with pink color pencil. Please like the video and share and subscribe to my channel. This is green color highlighter. Here I am drawing small ribbons. Here one more ribbon. This is pink color sketch pen. Draw the 4 lines like this.
Thank you so much for watching. Support me as liking, sharing.
This pink color sketch pen. This light blue color sketch pen.